Hi guys, my name is Stephanie. I work here for TransferWise as a customer support agent, and we're gonna do some videos about the most common questions that you guys have. If you wanna know more about the TransferWise world, please subscribe to our channel. We're gonna be so happy to see you guys around here. And let's get started. Here are the three main things that you need to know about TransferWise and what you can do with your TransferWise account. You can send money, you can receive money, and you can hold money in more than 50 different currencies with us. And your money is going to be super safe with us. If you're a traveler, if you're a digital nomad, it's going to be super handy for you. So the first thing, you can send money to another bank account in another currency in another country. And this money will arrive to your recipient very quickly, very shortly. So when you use your traditional bank to send money abroad, normally they're gonna do an exchange rate that's super expensive, and they're gonna put their own fees, and they're not gonna tell you what they're charging you for. You are just gonna go there, and out of sudden your money is gone. So TransferWise is not like that. We are very transparent with our fees. You can check your fees, and the exchange rate is the same as you can check on the Google. So you're gonna be charged with a little amount for our fees on top of that exchange rate, which is the most amazing exchange rate you're gonna get. So yes, that's awesome. This exchange rate makes you send money 8 times cheaper than the traditional bank, which is super awesome, right? So at the end of the day, you're gonna be saving money, even sending money abroad. Another cool thing that we have is that you can have bank details in some of the currencies. The currencies that we currently have, these bank details are Euro, GBP, Australian dollars, USD, New Zealand dollars, and Polish zloty, and Hungarian forints. Having bank details is going to allow you to receive money from third parties. So you can receive money as a local bank. The person that's going to send to you doesn't need to transfer the money in another currency. So number 3, now you can choose how to spend your money, which is super awesome because we do have a card. You can use this card and it's going to charge you in this currency. Okay, Stephanie, but if I don't have this currency open, what do I do? Not a problem. We're going to convert and we're going to apply our fees like a normal conversion, but you can still use your card. We are just going to convert it for you, and it's going to be on the same exchange rate that you see on Google. So those are the main 3 things that you can do with TransferWise. If you want to know more about our fees and about our product, I'm going to let the link here below in our description, so you can click on our description and you can check it out. If you need some more help, you can always call us. See you, bye. See you next time.